What's wiggling, Warenoticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shane Mumma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Warenotice. And guys, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this bad boy right here, the LifeProof NEXT case for none other than the Samsung Galaxy S10. So this case claims to be dirt-proof, snow-proof, and drop-proof. So without further ado, let's get to unboxing this bad boy. Ooh. Warenotice on the baddest beat. Met a lot of people, but still don't know defeat. Running for the White House, but I am no athlete. Got Jordans on my feet and haters in retreat. Wait, I am the CEO. Competition robotic, call him C3PO. So here we are, folks, up close and personal with this case's box. As you can see right here on the front, it talks about how it's dirt-proof, snow-proof, and drop-proof. Well, how it claims to be those things, like I said earlier. And you can also see that I got the black crystal color of this case. It also comes in a few other colors, but I got this one. So now if we come over here to the back, it talks more about that drop protection. Apparently, it claims that it can survive 2-meter high drops. So that's pretty cool. And also, one more thing that you guys should know about this case before we open it up is that it's not exactly the cheapest thing ever, because it'll set you back about $80. So yeah, without further ado, let's get this bad boy out of the box. Just slide it right out, and here it is, the LifeProof NEXT case for none other than the Samsung Galaxy S10. So here's the case right here. Anything else in the box? Let's see. Right here we've got the instructions on how to put on the case, as well as a nice little microfiber cloth. So let's do just that. So here we have my Samsung Galaxy S10 in flamingo pink, of course, and we can just pop it right into the back of the case, just like that. And then we can put the top on the case right here, just like this, and get it nice and snug around all the different sides. And just like that, folks, beautiful, it's nice and on the Galaxy S10. So let's take a closer look at this case. So right here on the bottom of the phone, we've got two little flaps right here on this case, one for covering the headphone jack and one for covering the USB-C port. Now, if we come over here to the back of the phone, you can see it's nice and clear on the back, and the sides, as you may have noticed, are black, hence the name Black Crystal. So over here on this side, we've got the volume rocker, obviously, as well as the Bixby button, and over here we've got the power button. So as you can see, just like that, the phone works just as normal. So now, folks, let's see how the Galaxy S10's wireless charging works with this case. First, let's do wireless power share, which lets you charge other devices wirelessly with the S10. So right now I have that on, and I have the Samsung Galaxy Buds right here, minding their own business. And guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to see if these charge with this case on. So let's flip the phone over and let's put these on the back, and let's see, beautiful, just like that. As you can see, there's a little red indicator light right there on the earbuds that mean they're charging. So yeah, that works like a charm. Now let's try charging the Galaxy S10 wirelessly with the case on. So now, folks, here I have my Tesla wireless charger right here, S10 with the case on right here. Let's drop it down, and just like that, as you can see, it's wirelessly charging. So yeah, wireless charging obviously works through this case, which is pretty important because that wireless power share feature that this phone has, where you can charge other devices with it, that is pretty important. And I just like wireless charging in general. I think it's pretty cool. So yeah, that is definitely good news. And yeah, a few more first impressions I have of this case on the S10 is, first of all, it definitely still feels nice and skinny, nice and slim, not very thick, which is definitely a good thing. And also, it does make the buttons much more tactile. If you can hear, they also make a bit of a clicking noise too when you click them. You guys hear that? But I will say, though, that this case does make the buttons quite harder to press, which is pretty annoying, but hey, you might be into that. So yeah, anyway, that'll be all for this Warenotice unboxing of the LifeProof NEXT case for the Galaxy S10. So if you enjoyed this nice, short, quick little unboxing video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one, including my unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S10. Link to that down in the description, as well as my unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Buds. Link to that also in the description. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with the LifeProof NEXT case for none other than the Samsung Galaxy S10.